Listen you guys, Mai Jilimba vonekwa vachinyadziiswa pakasvika vanhu vekuNigeria naMai TT. Hi Churchet fam, hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your usual girl Ash and I'm back with another interesting video guys, with another bang. So guys, this story has been trending since yesterday kuti Mai Jilimba vakadzingwa ivo papicture mushure mekunge best actors vari mumovie yaMai TT Lost in Ashes iri kupremiere today in Zimbabwe. Vakadzingwa pafoto vachidaita photo bomb, vakanzi aiwa imi chimbobva ipano hamukodzeri kuti muye munenge muchitorwa picture. But nyaya iyi haina kuguma yakadaro guys, there is a lot from this story. So this is what happened after vadzingwa picture naMai TT. Vanhu vakatanga kukomenda zvakasiyana-siyana, why you are doing that, but she's been there for you, supporting you and wearing your t-shirt Lost in Angels, and she's been supporting, and we saw that guys. Good ewa, that lady Mai Jilimba has been supporting Mai TT since day one. But I think, to my own perspective, it's not like Mai TT vakavadzinga zvokuti havasquad up my pictures, but I think vaingodo specific picture with those people Mai Jilimba vasipo. And a lot of socialite guys vabotanga kukomenda, including Zuva, including Chichi, like boss lady vachiti vanhu musadaro, Mai Jilimba is one of our mothers, munhu wekuti we respect and we... I'm sorry guys, my baby was crying, so I had to pay attention to him. But well, I was saying, you guys, I'm sure you have seen all the trending stories about Mai TT vachi harasa. I cannot say harass per se, but vachi vadzinga from being in the picture with Nigerian celebrities. And boss lady abati ivo, I can imagine that Zimbabweans to support Mai Jilimba and tavaratidza love because munhu mukuru and munhu ane talent. Zvokuti even on Nigeria, if they have a chance yekuziva Mai Jilimba and also vaita showcase her talent, she's going far with the talent. And I also agree guys kuti Mai Jilimba yes munhu mukuru, and but vamwe manje vanga vachiti but ivo vanoita dzungu pamwe pacho. It's not always paunofanira kuita like show yourself, like now vanhu vasvika and yes mambo vavo come together, but kana yangoya kuti vatore mapictures with the one Mai TT, let her be. So I want you guys to let me know what you think, but before we keep on going, please support this channel by smashing that subscribe button. Please like, share and comment down below guys. Let's have a chit chat. What do you think about the whole scenario? What do you think? And it's been trending guys, and Mai Jilimba vanakuluza hope. She has been standing still, and even Zua said it as well, and a lot of socialites, they also said it, why she did that to Mai Jilimba. So let us know guys in the comment section. But also before we do that, please, let's welcome our new members to the family. Welcome guys to this family of love and good vibes. We love you so much, we appreciate you so much, and I do love you. Make sure you stay with us forever. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always being here. I really do support you, and I can't wait guys to have you as well as we are growing together. We are now on the road to 10k subscribers. So guys, let me know what you think. And Mai Jilimba vacho varadza kuti ivo vari like to still kusaidira Mai TT. I feel like that lady ka vanongodika, and you know sometimes vanoposta kupostiana even say week nail, but vanonovatuka, and you wonder why guys muri kuvatuka. Munhu mukuru, she's more like a mother or a granny, so we should learn to respect her, you know. So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, because my streets are kupisa. Even if you just open anything, it's all about Mai Jilimba, Mai TT vakadzinga Mai Jilimba mune dzungu. But to think of Mai TT na Mai Jilimba guys, as you can see right now, they started way back, and Mai Jilimba face yavo yanga yafa vasakara and vakapiwa fairly glow, and now she's glowing, and she's also part of Lost in Angels team support team in Zimbabwe. Even Gogo Murata, they also know. And look at this picture, they're actually together with those people in Nigeria. But I think that specific picture vaisangodiwa Mai TT vaidiwa kubudochi with the team alone, okay? Yes. So yeah, and guys, today I hope you are at the premiere, because I am also going there. Yes, I'm also going there, and I'm going to come back here with the best dressed celebrities in Zimbabwe, or anyone else who is best dressed. Even if you're not a celebrity, I'm going to post everything here. And also the Lost Angels, sorry, the Lost in Ashes movie, I'm going also to give you some glimpse of it, so that we can have a chit chat, we can analyze it, we can come back with whatever you think. So yeah, let's keep watching, guys. And as we are closing this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Bye, guys. I love you, but God loves you more.